thanks for giving up some of your short time as you are part of the global SOC team and also the security department. Today, we want to talk about the role of Netskope in our environment of security solutions. Are you ready for some questions?
Let's do it.
Okay. Netskope in combination with Netskope Cloud and Exchange to automatically leverage our threat intelligence.
So within Exclusive, we have a threat intelligence platform where we gather information from external parties, but also public information. And with the Netskope Cloud Exchange, we're actually syncing that information with our Netskope tenant. This then contains IPs, URLs, and hashes, and we automatically block them in real time for the users. So every information that we get through our TIP, through our intelligence platform, we use the Cloud Exchange to automatically sync it to Netskope tenants and actually block it for our users.
And how we use Netskope behavior analytics to find anomalous behavior of users within exclusive networks?
So yeah, within Netskope Behavior Analytics, we're using the default rules, but also some custom rules. Within the custom rules, for example, we have rules that are linked to departing employees. So we're creating specific rules for departing employees that are doing bulk downloads, bulk uploads, bulk sharing, or bulk deletion. And based on that, we are using the scoring mechanism within Behavior Analytics to also create triggers. And these triggers will then go to our SIEM solution, which makes us start the investigation of specific users. So we're using a combination of the behavior analytics that are then being sent to our SIEM solution to give some, to start the investigation on our day-to-day for those specific users to see if that they're not, let's say, downloading things from our SharePoint and then uploading it to a public Google Drive or anything. So that's where we're using the behavior analytics for.
Okay. How we leverage Netskope to phase out VPN to move to a zero trust architecture.
Yeah, so we want to get rid of the public VPN endpoints because it's a target for hackers. It's publicly on the internet, so they can exploit it or start attacking it. So we're using Netskope ZTNA. We are basically installing publishers within different regions within the exclusive network, within different countries, and we're providing access to the users through the publishers to internal resources. So it's a secure access for the user, and they can access it without having to open a VPN. And basically everywhere where they have internet access, they can access the internal resources without anything else. So that's a secure and a better user experience for the users themselves.
Okay, thanks, Yannick. Now we have some questions for Jonas. How we use Netskope to make user aware of the danger of AI?
Okay, so next to our security awareness trainings that we have given our employees around the threats and risks related to the use of AI, we are using the Netskope coaching mechanism. It means that any exclusive networks employee that goes to a website that is using generative AI, they will get a pop-up. In that pop-up, we are reminding them of the risks, and we also have a link to our knowledge base and our policy related to AI, so that we can help them use these tools in a secure way. And the user just needs to accept this message before he actually goes to the website.
Yeah, I think I saw that on ChatGPT, right?
Exactly.
How we leverage our data classification label to enforce our DLP on level.
So for data classification, we are using Microsoft's Purview. And through this, we are forcing all of our employees to classify their information. So if one of our employees creates or sends an email or creates a document, it will have an information label. And Netskope can read out these labels through an integration with Purview. So if you are uploading a document, for example, to a Dropbox, Netskope can see what the classification is of that information, and based on that information label, it can make decisions because it allows us to create policies based on these labels. As an example, we can alert or block strictly confidential information that is being uploaded to an online file share.
Okay. So thanks, guys, for having a little time with me. We will produce a deeper insight video with a demo, so stay tuned. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.